In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TeamViewer Host. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a secure remote session quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to access the other device and that you've been given the correct connection details. A stable internet connection on both sides will make everything smoother. First, open TeamViewer on your computer. If it's been a while since you last used it, give it a moment to check for updates so both sides are more likely to be compatible. You'll land on the main screen where you can choose how you want to connect. Next, go to the Remote Support section. This is the place designed for on-demand help sessions and unattended access to a host installation. It keeps everything simple by focusing on the essentials you'll use most when assisting someone. In the connection field, enter the IP address, TeamViewer ID, or the host name for the device you're trying to reach. Use whatever the remote side has shared with you. Type carefully. IDs and host names must match exactly, and even a single extra character can prevent the session from starting. If you're on the same local network, an IP address may also work, but the TeamViewer ID is the most common approach. Now click Connect. TeamViewer will reach out to the remote device and prepare the secure tunnel. If you see a brief loading message, that's normal. If the other device is offline or unreachable, you'll get a notification, so double check the details and try again. When prompted, enter the password for that remote device. This password is case sensitive, so watch capitalization and any special characters. If you prefer not to save credentials on your machine, leave any save option unchecked for added security. In some cases, you may be asked to enter the password again to confirm, especially if certain security settings are enabled. If that happens, simply retype the same password. Finally, click Log On. Within a moment, you should see the remote desktop appear. The first time you connect to a new machine, you might notice brief permission prompts or a slight delay while the session initializes. That's expected, and once it's complete, you're ready to work. If the connection doesn't start, verify the ID or host name, confirm the password with the remote side, and make sure both devices are connected to the internet. Also ensure the TeamViewer service is running on the remote computer. With these basics in place, you'll be connected to a TeamViewer host in no time.